Wait, why is the hands coming into the basement? What the hell? Cook's not sitting on this door. It's really bad for them. It's really bad for them. Okay, they have no idea either. I don't even know if the cook is listening. There's no lock either. Is he coming now? I think he's coming now. Yep, two of them? Yep, two of them are over here. Well. Could get a fuse from over here, maybe. It's gonna get rip stalled though, so. Fuse is in the front too. The fuck? You gonna ripstall that shit, bro? Did he ripstall it? Oh, he did. This fucking guy, dude. Should be pretty easy for my teammates to get out here. I need to get a bone scrap. I don't know where bone scraps are on this map though. You actually see me? What the fuck? Yeah, what you gonna do about that pressure valve, bro? You gonna get that pressure valve, or what's going on here? Oh, shit. What is math? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No more. Do 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 do. Do do. We're doing pressure valve again. Fuse box turned off. Okay. Did he rip stall it though? That's the question. Oh my god, is it? Oh, it didn't turn on. Almost turned on though. I'm actually surprised they haven't rage quit yet. Oh, did he tamper it? This is why you need a leather face. He just rip stalled it. Yeah, I think Danny tampered it and he rip stalled. Nice. Oh, he rip stalled it again? Or wait, what? Oh, that means that he didn't rip stall the fuse then. Oh, the basement's still open? Oh. I'm like, what the hell? What's going on here? I'm confused. I'm not paying attention, I guess? I don't know. Okay. I don't think they're rip stalling that. They're gonna be able to here in a second though. I don't know where another valve is. Oof. trap here too. Brother. I think I gotta just tank this. This is really dumb. And of course he's right there already. He's got everything latched and double trapped. Wow. Yeah, these guys are cringe. These guys are cringe, bro. Yeah, I was gonna take someone with bomb squad. I thought I would probably need it, and yeah, looks like I needed bomb squad for this. I was trying not to go like super try hard, but yeah. These people that I'm playing with are pretty decent too. Yeah, but he's got Jen triple trapped. Yeah, we basically need to bum rush the cook. I think that's the only way that we get out of this. Yeah, they have nobody escapes hell too. Or we don't have a Connie, do we? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we need basically, I think I need to grapple cook. Danny needs to turn off battery, and then Connie needs to use her ult on the back gate, or her ability on the back gate. I think that's the only way that we get out of this. Okay, he went inside. Oh, Connie's back here too. I don't have quick hands. Dude, and then now all three of them. Dude, these guys are so cringe. Holy shit. Okay, I need this bone scrap. Holy shit, these guys are cringe as fuck. They have Grandpa level 5 now too? I don't even know how they got Grandpa level 5. Did they trap him? No, they did not. Okay. Is there a bone scrap in here? There's a healing. I turned battery back on. Is there a bone scrap in here? Oh, there it is. He just went through the trap. Is that Grandpa again? What? Everybody knows. I mean, there's a lot of heals on this map. I'm just saying, there's a lot of healing left on this map, broski. Still a lot of heals left, broski. Like this one right here. It's a pretty good one, broski. Hanging out, they're over here. Clear that you're obsessed with me. There, we got some blood over here. Yeah, no, come on, guys. Come on. Wait, no, come on. We still got a long game ahead of us. Hey, come on, bro. Yeah, swing. There you go. Come on, you're almost there. Oh, we still got we got a lot of healing left on this map that we gotta go through. Come on. Who's a good boy? Hitchhiker waiting in the basement for me? Oh no, he wouldn't do that, would he? Who's a good boy? Come on, who's a good boy? Come on, hands. Come on. Now they have no idea where I am. Aww. Yeah, I went outside. Go. I went outside. Good job. Hey, go out there, shut that door real quick. Good job. Gotta get those exterior alarms. Fucking dumbasses. Where'd he go? Where'd he go, dude? Where'd he go? Wait, where'd he go, bro? Come on, man. Yeah, slam that door real quick. There you go. Good job. Got both the dumbasses back there now. Okay. Run this way. There we go. Now maybe I can run to generator side or stab Grandpa real quick. Heal up a little bit. There we go. Oh, Hitchhiker's coming. Okay. Come on, Hitchy boy. Come on, Hitchy boy. I might be saving you for Grandpa. Come on. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Come on. Come on over, baby. We zooming, bro, we zooming. Oh shit! Oh, one little hit. Oh, Cook's over here. Oh shit! Ooh, swing and a miss. That sucks. Hey, good try, bro. Good try. You almost got me. Come on over, baby. Oh shit, he's right there. Oh shit. Oh shit, no. No, don't be good at the game. Don't do that. Oh shit, there's another one. Oh shoot, shake and bake. Oh, little shake and bake. Oh no, you shut it. No. A little bit of shake and bake, dude. Come on, dude. That's not very nice, guys. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna go down the well real quick. I got you. There we go, dude. GG. You got me. You got me, dude. You got me.